name is Frankie, and my project is on tornadoes. This is where most tornadoes occur in the USA. Where most tornadoes occur in the USA, in a place called Tornado Alley. Tornadoes also occur in Europe, East Asia, and Australia. Force of nature. Tornadoes are rotating columns of air that are in contact with both the surface and the earth and the cloud. How do tornadoes happen? Tornadoes form when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air. As the warm air rises, it starts to spin and form a tornado. Who helps? Red Cross, police, firemen, and ambulance. When on May 9, 2016, tornado occurred across Oklahoma. Destruction. Dun, dun, dun. Tornadoes can be very destructive. It can even take down your houses. Ah! Run with your pets. Here are some pictures of what can happen before a tornado. Hurry! Facts about tornadoes. Fact 1. Tornadoes mostly occur in May and June. Tornado winds can reach speeds up to 480 kilometers per hour. Wow! Tornadoes most often occur between 3 p.m. and